Well, it is all over. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Magesi FC iqanda. Tingwenya tamanzi zakuqa ngamagoli amabili eqandeni. After we saw isiputuputu segoli from Adams and another beautiful goal from Ushalulile as ebamba laphayana record. Le PSL. Now he matches the record. Will he be able to break the record? We don't know. But what we know is that Mamelodi Sundowns managed to get all 3 points away from home. This is my views, my expressions. Please do subscribe. We are here and sikuphathele okungaphathwa baningi as usual. Angihambi ke ngedwa. Phethu coach Kila Mphela bathi plumber of notes.
Yadli plumber.
Everyone now is a specialist. Is a specialist. Hey, social media. But you know, TikTok, everyone is now a specialist. Is now an expert in football.
Yeah, I wonder if you come with that mentality of saying no, abantu abangadlalanga, abalazi, I think we're in the wrong place because bakhona Jose Mourinho abadlalanga at the highest level, but bo coach bakhona bo Rolande abadlalanga what about bo coach. So it depends on where you are. Mina ngangijwayele ukulalela uDr. Pitso Mosimane. Vele no, I'm deciding to look at it a positive way. So they are positive. So it doesn't necessarily. We have seen, and I will tell you something else. We have seen players that were great players, but when they go to coaching, it's the other way around. Yeah.
Wayne Rooney.
Yeah. Wayne Rooney was maybe 28 games in a row. About Sean Bartlett, they are not so successful. Abo, who is this guy? We Pirate, this legend, a Pirate. Lo umsuthu mfethu le khanya mfethu light in complexion. Yes, that guy it always fails, but he was a star, so it doesn't necessarily mean so. Yes, you can say what you want to say, but it's not the facts.
Yeah, bakubiza ngomini Junior Khanya.
Yeah, it's okay. In fact, that's a compliment. I decided to look it in a positive way. Yeah, but let's go.
Yeah, let's go to the game. Remember the Sundowns face this game ahead of Igema or before Igema MTN 8. We saw a lot as far as the lineup is concerned, a lot of changes. We saw Mkhulisi coming in. We saw Abokekane, the young Kekana. We saw Letlaku and Mapena starting the game. How did you see this game, Namhlanje?
Game of 2 halves. First half, Sundowns, no fluidity, no cohesion, team, unbalanced, team tactics, not spot on, group tactics, especially individual, especially defensively, they were good, hence more offsides of Lokuzani high line. I think with Divine Lunga, that's why I got the man of the match. And even I was saying it yesterday that Divine Lunga shouldn't be at that left back. Put Divine Lunga in the left center back because he has played that role very well. So now it proved me right. There is something when he plays there rather than playing him on the left back. So Sundowns first half they were trying. They didn't do anything first half. Maybe they had maybe one shot at goal and nothing. Why? They are build up tactics. They wanted to build from the back, wanted to go through the middle field, but a lot of turnovers. They couldn't. They did the cohesion. That guy is talented. That guy is talented. Is good. We saw few combinations between maybe Letlaku, Nabo Mapena first half. But in the final third, they couldn't reach the final third because Ushalulile was isolated, losing balls time and again. So no shots. When you go on the side of Marquez, okay, sometimes they approach the game with a 4-3-3. They were dysfunctional because from the midfield towards the strikers, progression from the center backs, so there was nothing. So the only thing that was promising for Sundowns first half, it was maybe if there is a corner kick, but other than that there was nothing, no box entries, no shots, nothing in the first half. So you could see even the team that was there on the pitch is not the team that usually plays together. So those things they were expected. But when you're going to Magesi,
Maybe before you go to Imagesi, like what does that mean then? Because there are so many players outside Mamelodi Sundowns. A coach is working hard to minimize squad sack, but some players have not been able to get game time. So now when you get game time, we expect you would try and show up as the reason why you need to be played very often. So if now kuzoba nomehluko when kuzodlaliswa abanye noma kudlaliswa enye i-team, what does it say about you now as a player that doesn't get game time very often?
It means you need to work hard because we're not playing every day, but you need to equally do the work off or when we are off. When we are not on the pitch, yes, when we are not playing, we need to do the extra work so that when you come, you are at the par with those people that are, with those players that the coach has fielded. And then also the programs, the coach needs to design the programs for the players that are not playing so that they can be at the same level all the time so that we won't see this much difference, especially because the season is too long. Because we'll need all these players that were there in. I mean, I was very happy to see Abu Moti. I was very happy to see abo Mapena kanjalo nabo Letlago and this indoda nabo Mkhulisi, because Mkhulisi indoda it's very difficult to compete with Ireland, very difficult. Nabo Lebusa, they coming back for the first time. I see Pasadena playing Lokuzan left wing back. I was so happy about him because last time I saw Pasadena were playing at right wing back, also tucking in inverted left back and also playing as a half 8, half 10. So today I was happy to see him playing on his position that was signed. We saw him playing at Bafana Bafana.
Let's go to Magesi.
Magesi, they approach the game with the 4-2-3-1, very aggressive, high press, energy levels so high for Magesi, but the level you could see. Okay, the level is not the same with the Lokuzan Sundowns. The intensity was so high, they were unlucky not to get the goals. Now it also tells you about the quality. Sundowns got minimal chances, half chances they scored. Magesi, they got numerous opportunities they couldn't convert. Their strength, they were throwing fouls, creating set pieces, high pressing Sundowns, making turnovers in the midfield, taking the ball wide. Abo Vandala bringing crosses to the box, making sure that they get a corner kick and going to the far post and when they were building up from the back, is the ball from Chipazeze. They hoof it to Sebanyoni chest trap for Rulo Umakubu. After that, they try to shoot or they go wide and then they cross, and then that was what they were doing. Aggression. But now when you don't do the things in first half, it tells you about the physical abilities and also the training, the trainings, the levels between the two teams. You mean
when you failed to do it in the second half?
Yes, because we need to maintain the thing. The game, it's 90 minutes. Because if they came up with the very same aggression, second half, sometimes we had to think again. Because to be honest, Magesi was all over Sundowns first half.
The first half.
Yes, and then second half it was different because now they didn't do a high press second half in Magesi. Now in Magesi they started to do a mid block, eventually to a low block. Since there were always many duels because of the pitch. The pitch influenced the way the gameplay was played because Sundowns couldn't play their normal game, especially first half, and also in my case, they played to their strength because a lot of turnovers, a lot of duels, and then that's why there were a lot of set pieces, a lot of fouls because the pitch is too small. And then second half, in my case, they started to drop deep, and then now they had to run more distances. Now they have to run more distances whenever they are in possession. So what does now the energy levels? Now they were just tiring, and then they did a mass up. They put more Moremi. But they couldn't influence the game positively. All the players that they put for Imakes because I think the team and also the red card didn't do them a favor. A favor, and then because now they end up playing with E3-2-3-1. And then now, when they were having a back three, then Sundowns was having the chances to be able to play the balls into the channels. And then that's how they lost because of the transition for the second goal. But for the first goal of Sundowns, it was just a set piece, because that's what I expected. Because we could see that it's impossible because of the pitch to get a goal on an open play, because the distances and the spaces are so small.
Yeah. So we see these substitutions, particularly in Mamelodi Sundowns. So okay, right now they are trying to change the game. They're putting in these players that we normally see, and Matthews come in, does what Matthews does. I've been impressed. I'm sorry, Masandawan, I'm not sure, because you still have a grudge against Umchita. But Matthews keeps excelling. Matthews gets another assist in Namhlanje. He has a very technical on the ball. It's the first touch, the pass, the timing all the time.
Yeah, now I need to swallow my pride and say Matthews is improving. Matthews played well. You could see when he came on that this one is a regular.
Oh, yeah, that's a camera to Matthews. So it's in
Matthew. When I'm angry, it's Matthew. And when he performs well, it's Matthews. And also about Marcelo Allen, to see the spine of the team. But for me, the reason why I'm so happy, because I saw Motiba. When there is Motiba, Motiba is very important. Very, very, very important, because that's why Shaluli scored that goal. Because Motiba there, yes, because Motiba there, it takes the pressure away. It drops, it takes away. Motiba doesn't lose the possession, but Motiba will always draw more fouls for you. That's why I love Motiba. Motiba doesn't lose the ball. To give him the ball, he puts the ball, he gives you the pass. Go to the space. Motiba. AFCON. We're taking this AFCON.
Asleep. So we're done with this one now. Saturday, who's taking it?
If Motiba is in, Sundowns is taking it.
Well, that's just about it. Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Mamelodi Sundowns take all the 3 points away from home. This is my views, my expressions. Please do subscribe, share, we are here. Nathi siyazama. Mama uthi usuyabuya noma wena usuyo regular ekhaya. Sinje kungenxa yakho. We are who we are because of you. Please keep staying with us and commenting ngaso sonke isikhathi. From me, I'm out of here.
Awinile Masandawana avali gap lapha phezulu.
Yaba ufica inogwaja yakhe sikho.
Ngofika hayi.